In the realm of archetypes, the master, builder, and weaver epitomize self-discipline. Their existence is marked by a need to stabilize, a pursuit of security, and an enduring rigor that shapes their every action. These archetypes are characterized by their remarkable ability to weave depth, focus, and endurance simultaneously. Constantly building upon their skills and the quality of their outcomes, they embody self-discipline that leads to self-mastery. They offer a grounded, practical, and orderly presence, bringing a natural sense of security and stability to those around them. Where others focus on the why, they are dedicated to the what and how. People lean on their ability to build, make, or create something worthwhile. Professionally, the master archetype is attentive to details and holds an interest over long durations with intent and professionalism. Stonemasons, sculptors, blacksmiths, bricklayers, housekeepers, athletes, surgeons, and dentists all demonstrate the master's diligence and consistency. They master any craft or skill they take on, exhibiting orderliness in arranging information and processes. Though this can take time, once established, it becomes a pillar of strength to those who rely on them. Socially, the builder meticulously lays foundations in all their social networks. Engineers, builders, architects, programmers, lawyers, and bakers form bonds of excellence, known for their reliability and consistency. Builders choose their pursuits wisely, care for them attentively, and build their impacts one piece at a time over long durations. Always at the foundations of any great cause or result, their methodical approach ensures harmony and progress in every endeavor. Spiritually, the weaver holds intricate awareness in navigating aspects of our being that is often not understood by many people. Weavers, tailors, geologists, historians, and researchers knit together detailed fragments to form a meaningful picture. They navigate the spiritual and dream realms, bringing clarity to others and purity to life. Their gift of creating coherence from shards leaves most people astonished at their ability to perceive and create from seemingly disparate elements. However, this path is not without challenges. When under-evolved, their gift of intensity may be misdirected toward meaningless pursuits that don't build anything of significance. They may drown in detail, losing sight of the big picture. This immature state can become fixated on creating without purpose, to the point where the laying of bricks becomes more important than the structure itself. Conversely, when over-utilized, their diligence and structure can stifle growth in other aspects of character. Rigidly building structures around them can prevent new experiences and discoveries, making others feel like failures trying to meet their high standards. Professionalism turns to perfectionism, and what can be security becomes a cage. In their thriving state, the master, builder, and weaver use their pragmatic sensibilities to create with passion and purpose. By discerning their focus purposefully and balancing it with enjoyment of their creations, they step back to admire the grandeur of their tapestry. Their impact is profound as they bring cleanliness, consistency, diligence, efficiency, excellence, moderation, orderliness, professionalism, and purity to every role they undertake. In doing so, they shape not only their own lives, but also the lives of those around them, creating a legacy of stability, security, and enduring excellence.